Okay, recording. What you about to see, it's only in Milwaukee. There you go. This is the blizzard. The storm to the fullest. 100% right now. Winds everywhere. Snow, ice everywhere. And for the blizzard, I got something. Fuck you. Man, if somebody isn't, if you're outside right now, you're a crazy ass motherfucker. For real. I guess I'm gonna be in here tomorrow, all day long, cleaning the snow. Fuck. But oh well. Look at the neighbors. You can't even see their house. Well, a little bit. Everybody for the storm? Fuck you, storm.